Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Hytale and you keep getting this problem, failed to connect to server with their server failed to boot, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Hytale easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to right here control panel, and here you're going to click on to uninstall a program. And now you're going to look for the program called Java here, click on to any program, press J on your keyboard. And as you can see, I don't have it because I've already uninstalled it. So you're going to uninstall all versions of Java from your computer. And once you're done with uninstalling it, now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here date and time. And now you're going to make sure that your date and time is set correctly with the internet, because if your date and time is set incorrectly, your computer will have problems connecting to the internet. So just set your time zone correctly. After that, click sync down here, wait for it to sync. And once it's done syncing, now you can go ahead and play Hytale, and you'll see that your game will now work correctly and you'll be able to connect to servers. You will not get that server failed to boot error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.